How's it going, bro? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David Fritz, and in this I'm going to share with you 4 simple steps you can take today to speed up your learning curve as a music producer intensely. Let's get straight into it. The first tip is a very easy and very obvious one, which is watch YouTube tutorials. You as a music producer have to basically find out what is your biggest weakness, and you work on this weakness. Obviously, it's important as well to work on your strengths and watch YouTube tutorials which basically make your skills even better, but because you want to create this whole package of like an ultimate music producer, that's why I watch YouTube tutorials, for example my channel, or for example Zenroad, who's focused more on tech house production, or In The Mix is very focused on mixing in FL Studio. I can definitely recommend those channels right now. But yeah, just keep watching those YouTube tutorials. Then the second tip I want to give you is a tricky one, and I wouldn't really recommend this to every music producer, is that basically just continue to try and fail. Trial and error. Basically, every time you have an idea, you want to basically sound design the sound, or you want to create this specific track, try yourself and continue doing it as long as it takes until you come up with the idea or with the sound or whatever that is. The good thing with this technique is that you're basically learning by yourself, and you're basically sometimes discovering completely new areas of music production or sound design because you're actually trying and you're failing. But even if you're failing, something new comes out and you're practicing in the moment. The problem with that technique is that you're basically wasting a lot of time and a lot of energy in your life by not really coming forward, and I wouldn't really recommend this. So if you've gotten any value from this video so far, please make sure to like it right now and subscribe to my channel to not miss out any tech house production or house music production tutorials in the future. The third tip you can do to basically increase this learning curve by 100% is buy yourself an online course. Now there's certain online courses you can buy, for example more in detailed online courses, like for example how to write a good bass line or how to mix your bass line. I personally invested in heaps of online courses like how to basically mix my bass line, the whole thing, how to mix basic house music, how to create sounds, how to sound design, this whole course. And I spent probably over $1,000 into my music production knowledge and into my education, because it is so important. It speeds up the process by a hell of a lot more, and you don't have to like look for those specific YouTube tutorials. You're actually going to be able just to learn the whole thing, and after you watch the whole course, you're basically a full-fledged music producer, which is exactly the goal what you want to achieve. Now we're coming to the fourth and the final tip on how to increase your learning curve as a music producer. But before I want to share with you that, please make sure you go right now on Spotify and check out my music. I have a few tracks coming out. For example, next week the track is going to come out which is called Dear Valued Customer. Make sure you give it a follow, like my songs, add them to a playlist if you like them, because my goal as a music producer is to improve, to grow those numbers on Spotify. We just hit 11,000 monthly listeners on Spotify, what I'm really grateful for, because I remember exactly how I started at 10 monthly listeners on Spotify, but this is exactly what I'm grateful for, and I'm really grateful for every person who streams my songs. If you want me to create a YouTube tutorial how to get from 0 to 10,000 monthly listeners on Spotify, make sure to comment this right now in the comment section if you're actually interested in this kind of tutorial. I'm not sure exactly, because right now I'm focused more on mixing and stuff, but if you want to know more about this, I will tell you exactly how I did it, so you can basically implement this yourself as well. Now let's get to the last and the fourth final tip, how to basically improve your learning curve as a music producer, and that is get yourself an online music production coach. The reason for that is very simple. This person can basically listen to your tracks. He's going to tell you what the problem with your tracks is. He's going to basically solve them with you and teach you exactly in that moment what you need to improve on, teaches you in the same moment. This basically saves you the time of finding what's wrong with your track. It saves you the time of watching a YouTube tutorial and finding the right YouTube tutorial. The coach will basically just speed up the process by so much more. And that is also the reason why I'm offering online coachings for everybody who's interested in house music production coaching in FL Studio. We're going to basically go to one of your tracks, and I'm going to listen to your track together with you, and then we're going to basically tweak a little bit on the sounds, also about mixing, sound design, the arrangement. I'm going to be able to tell you exactly what's missing in your track. So if you want to find out more about this online coaching, make sure to message me privately over Instagram. Here's a few of my clients' success stories. They already did this coaching, and they're really happy with the results.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Zeno Man, electronic and techno music producer from Hamburg. I took a one-on-one coaching with David Fritz. We met via Zoom and we got along right away, and he gave me a coaching regarding Rekordbox and preparing DJ sets for gigs. He shared his screen with me and he guided me step by step through Rekordbox. And thanks to his coaching, I'm now pretty confident that I'm able to prepare my own DJ sets with my own songs, and will hopefully be able to play live gigs soon. New single dropping soon, stay tuned.
As a music producer, evolving and learning and investing into your own education is such an important thing, because you could obviously watch all the YouTube tutorials if you want, but it's going to take you probably, instead of 3 years, it's going to take you 5 to 7 years to learn all this kind of stuff, what you could have easily learned in 3 years. Hire a coach if you want that, because it basically speeds up the process, and you don't want to waste so much years of your life finding the right YouTube tutorials, and you want to basically get to the 10,000 or 100,000 monthly listeners as soon as possible, and that's exactly why I made this tutorial for you. Anyway, thanks bro so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out this video as well, which explains exactly how to produce tech house like James Hype. I created this tutorial really easy. If you like it, make sure to check that out. And I'll see you bro in the next video.